Have you ever struggled to remove dead bugs and dried on bug splatter off the front of your car after driving your car through bug season? If you have, then you know what I'm talking about. The bug splatter is stuck on like glue and almost impossible to remove. 3D Bug Remover makes removing dead bugs fast and easy because it uses a special enzyme that penetrates and dissolves the proteins that make up the bug splatter. 3D Bug Remover can be used by simply spraying onto the affected areas, allow the product to dwell and penetrate, and then before the product dries, wipe the surface with a clean microfiber towel. You can also use 3D Bug Remover as a pre-soak treatment before washing. Simply spray 3D Bug Remover over the areas of your car with dead bugs, allow the product to dwell, and then wash your car as you normally do with your favorite 3D car wash soap. 3D Bug Remover is a professional grade formula, but completely safe on paint, clear bras, glass, plastic, vinyl wraps, and chrome. 3D Bug Remover's special enzymes chemically loosen and dissolve dead bugs, making washing your mechanical best friend safer while restoring a clean, bug-free finish.